nice cutoff. Really? Hey, what the fuck are you doing? Seriously? That's the shoulder that you were just on.
It's amazing. I'm going to break up. I apologize to the fans. But everyone who listens, thank you. And thank to all the people who reached
asshole.
out, the
Whoa,
fans.
what the frick? Yeah, that was pretty ballsy. Oh shit, that was an accident. Wow.
Out by GAW, yet another cute acronym. The Global Oscillation Network Group. Specially outfitted solar observatories that span the world.
Seriously, dude, I can't see your fucking headlights.
California, Chile, the Canary Islands, and Australia allowed solar oscillations to be monitored continuously. Their long-anticipated results
supported most current notions of stellar structure. In particular, that energy moves by randomly walking photons in the sun's inner layers, and then by large-scale turbulent convection in its outer. Discoveries are great simply because they confirm what you had suspected all along. Heroic adventures through the sun are best taken by photons,
and not by any other form of energy or matter. If any of us
it's still, what the fuck are you doing, dude? Really?
Vaporized, and have every single electron.
You're a fucking douchebag, asshole. Idiot guy. Holy shit, look at that behind me. Really? Wow, that thing turned red like 10 minutes ago. Really?
Framework of the budget as we start hearing about what they're doing as we reach the debt ceiling. We'd love for you to come back and talk about that. But any other thoughts where things start to head on that front this week, next week, as some of those details?
What the fuck are you doing?
Sure. I mean, look, for the people who are
really
enough not to immerse themselves in this stuff, what's about to happen, and this is like, part of what's happening with the least Atlantic, is
that's
that
not even
the Speaker has told
open
his
thing
most
either.
ferocious budget hawks that we're going to absolutely obliterate the budget.
Whoa, what the fuck? Really? What a douchebag.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a truth. I just worked with her. There's this thing coming up on Netflix.
What the fuck are you doing? I have a shot to go.
I don't understand.
Fuck you.
Saying that it's coming out.
What happened next happened in slow motion as her mind ran steadily onward.
Wait, that was red. Really? Really, dude? Seriously?
Anytime you pass a budget, you're working also with the legislative body who has districts, and you know, when you talk about infill developments and utilizing existing infrastructure, well,
really?
generally speaking, a lot of our cities have
going in. They were allowed to make a move that cost them a draft pick next year, a draft pick this year, and a draft pick next year to get the quarterback.
Really?
Why they
Come on.
two bites of the apple is this? They're going to try and win games.
To Citation Needed, the podcast where we choose a subject, read a single article about it on Wikipedia, and pretend we're experts. Because it's the internet.
Really?
It works now. I'm Cecil, and I'll be reluctantly hosting this episode.
Guess what? They got easy pass lanes over there.
Two guys that wish that they could.
Why'd you do that? The hell are you doing? What the hell? Really? And they honk back like, oh, you're the one that screwed up by being in the correct lane. Eh, fuck you.
Come on the scene, Sharp stock had been 3 1/4 points lower than it was now. Never mind.
Really?
Mind this.
He hadn't seen you in 20 minutes.
Oh!
His average night in this series.
Seriously?
You know, he played 7 minutes, he played 9 minutes, he played 17 minutes. Tonight
He stopped in the middle of the street to yell at him. They were the ones that screwed up.
Like I said, he turned into the wall.
There's a car right there. Really? Oh, he nicked his mirror against the bus. Really? So, are you gonna go or what? Get out of the way. You don't need to preserve the crime scene.
This has gotta suck.
Really, now you decide to go. So I guess we're gonna pretend that nothing happened. I don't know what the fuck you were doing. Does that count as an accident? Who knows?
Dignity before and then he has to spend it like Thursday or whatever. He has to spend as much dignity as he can.
He's gonna buy a dignity stamp and mail it to himself at the end, and you're gonna be like, that's so clever. Be nice, like, hit with starting illegal.
Whoa, what the fuck?
The White House was less scrambling.
What are you? Did you like try to make a left into the wrong thing? Really?
Yes, the Pentagon.
Right now, just the fact that they're like, he just tweeted today, live on my social, where he was like, he's worried about it.
Really? Nissan driver!
And hard to know all that. Yeah, you can mix all the stuff together. So it's good to know that you're like one of those the Coke.
Right.
What's
that?
Coke machine with all the.
Yeah, that was red. Really?
Coke deities.
He's got some flash. And then the top guy is a power forward named like Maritone.
Oh yeah, I've seen him listed in the top 10s. Yeah.
He's like
player.
He's like half Kachuk, half Tommy Wilson.
Oh, what an asshole!
Big shoulders and a bad.
Fuck
attitude.
you.
And he could score. I went him in the.
Oh! Exit dive. Yeah, I'm back in Rochester.
And so I had the privilege of following him around for.
Whoa, what the? Really?
Like 8 hours.
Really?
I did like a ride along. And it just so happened.
No, be sure to check out citationpod.com. So it shouldn't be naked, folks.
Whoa, what the fuck? Holy shit!
Hi, Mom. Yeah, would you mind getting on the phone with Cecil for a second and telling him my name is Heath?
Thank goodness there was someone alongside me. No one. Thank goodness it didn't hit anybody. What the fuck?
Who did everything he was supposed to do. Right. And so the Deuteronomistic history is this process
really, dude?
Of recording all
I wonder why.
History.
Holy shit, I saw that car earlier.
Somebody who,
It's pushing.
Yeah, I'd be ashamed of that.
Okay.
You should have used Suez for sways. Bring it back in. Bring it back in.
Really?
Bring it back with
You're gonna fail. You realize that there's a big off-ramp type thing that helps with U-turns? That's where actually that Mustang, that ugly Mustang is going through right now. That's what that's there for. Really?
So good idea. It's just lot. Chef kiss from a chef.
All right, Cecil. Once again, I did not do my side work.
Oh!
The best candy.
That could have been mad.
Reese cups. Incorrect.
Great answer.
What the fuck are you doing? Really? Screwborough. There you go again. Like an asshole. It's not just me. It's like how fat. It's like that center lane's about to end, you know. You're not gonna get that far ahead. you're probably going to get stuck at a red light because that's your kind of luck that I hope that you get. Screwbro.
Alright, well, you're not going to like this, but there's a chemo dispersant we can use.
Oh, God. What, really? Because Prius.
It is poison. It is.
No, it's toxic too, yeah, as it turns out.
It works as well as the other one.
And they're going to raise them.
Everyone did their best to pin all the way they could on Hazel.
Realizing this is not okay. Like, I'm having him still very.
I'm guessing he's relatively young.
He was, yeah, he died when he was 57. It was
What
kind of sudden. You know, we found out he had stayed.
Why are you driving on the wrong side of the street? What the fuck are you doing? The fuck? What the fuck is that? What the hell did I just witness? Really? Am I gonna get stuck at every single fucking light? Wait! That was red! Toyota turd!
But you're going to get to make your points as long as you're engaging honestly and you're not just there with slurs.
Right.
And
Exit dive.
You've left up plenty of problems where people have been like actually at this
In a construction zone like this, yeah, that's pretty dangerous.
Yeah.
Really? Really? It's like, gee, I wonder why the car ahead of you is stopped. Yeah. Really? What the hell are you doing? It's only a single lane here. Yeah, you're gonna keep going. Winter cannot come soon enough.
Really, Cecil? In the same year as my botched vasectomy? Too soon, sir. Too soon.
Botched vasectomy? Did you get somebody else pregnant? What happened? Botched vasectomy? What are you talking
Cecil
about?
doesn't know.
Get the fuck out of the way!
No, you have to know about your botched vasectomy.
Oh, well.
Seriously.
Anyway, I'd like to...
And dying in orbit was on the list.
A hell of a checklist.
Wasn't even last on the list. It's a whole thing, yeah.
Now, so after the accident,
Exit
the
regrets?
USSR scrapped
Really?
the next planned launch until they could redesign the Soyuz. That's the spacecraft that was meant to take people back.
Just
and
go
forth
through
to
the
Soviet
plaza and re-enter the highway up there.
That redesign took so long
Really?
they couldn't get anybody back in time to do the routine maintenance the station needed to
Yeah, that's a
survive.
big screw
so
up.
They deorbited it after 6 months and...
But which one? Who's putting in the effort?
Right, yes.
Yeah, exactly. For my baloney
about the brand.
Oh, what did I
Really?
Instagram stories. Oh, it's the okay, all right, fair, yeah. My favorite part of the Wikipedia article is the notable events, where it says, quote, on July 17, 2009, a Wienermobile in a cul-de-sac